Present progressive information questions. What is he doing? Mac is only 4 years old, but he is pretending to be old. Why is he pretending to be old? His school is celebrating old-timey days. It's a history festival. Look at the questions. What is he doing? Why is he pretending? These are information questions in the present progressive. Put the question word in front to make a present progressive information question. You already know how to form a yes-no question in the present progressive. Is she looking for something? Yes, she is. To form the information question, start with the question word. What is she looking for? Do you see? The questions look almost the same. There's a be verb and there's a verb with ing, and the subject is between these two. The information question also has a question word at the beginning. What is she looking for? She's looking for some sharp scissors. Is he looking at something? Yes, he is. Well, now I want more information. What is he looking at? Do you see? The questions look almost the same. There's be verb, and then the subject, and then the verb with ing. What is he looking at? Some dolphins are swimming nearby. Are they going somewhere? Yes, they are. I need more information. Where are they going? They are taking a train to Rome. Is that squirrel eating? Yes, it is. What is that squirrel eating? It is eating the seeds from a pine cone. Is he looking at his phone? No, he isn't. He isn't? Well, what is he doing? He's working in the engineering lab. Are they working? No, they aren't. What are they doing? They are having coffee and working on the crossword puzzle in the newspaper. Okay, you try. What is the correct word order to make an information question? Remember, start with the question word. What is Elaine talking about? What is Elaine talking about? She is explaining the new project to her colleagues. What is the correct word order here? Why is Alan using a microphone? Why is Alan using a microphone? He is recording a new episode of his podcast. Last one. What is the correct word order to make a question? And I'll give you a hint. The last word is with. Who are you texting with? Who are you texting with? My friend. She is asking if I want to meet her for coffee. In this lesson you learned, put the question word in front of a yes-no question to form an information question in the present progressive. What is he doing? Why is he using a microphone? Where is he recording? All of these questions start with a question word.